Hi, this is John Sonmez from Pluralsight, and in this module we're going to be covering deploying your Android application. This is the part one of a two-part module on deploying your application, and in this particular module we're going to cover signing your application. We're going to talk about what signing is and why you need to sign your application and some of the considerations specific to Android and the Android market. Then we're going to talk about exporting from Eclipse. We're going to look at how easy it is to export your a signed version of your application using Eclipse. And then we'll go through the slightly more tedious process of manually signing your application so that you're able to manually sign it if you need to using some Java tools and Android tools from the command line. And then finally, we're going to take a look at a obfuscation tool called ProGuard, which is going to help you to be able to secure your Android application. The focus of this module is basically going to be on setting up you with the ability to sign your application and then to secure your application. And then in the second part, we'll get into deploying your application. And with those three steps, you should be able to take your application and put it out there in the market so that someone will be able to purchase or download your app.